For material costs, we're going to name our column. So we're going to be using a few different types of materials. So we have material and then underline ID. Then we have material and the underline and description, unit, underline of measured, and then unit cost. All right, then we can format. The first three are general, but unit cost is going to be a number. So we will format that. Then we can come to the corner and auto fit the columns. Then we need to insert our table. So all of this is going to be standard for most of the sheets except the last one. So we're going to have a table. Again, make sure to click that it has headers because we just labeled all these headers. Then you can click somewhere in there, go back to table design and rename our table. And that name is going to be TBL underline inventory. So you've got that all set up. Then we can pre-fill a few pieces of information. So if you have the table open from the Word document in another screen, you can copy and paste the values. Helps to avoid typos, but if you're typing, it's good practice. And then we have linear feet. And then we have square feet. And our unit cost is $4.50. The linear feet for the welding wire is $3.25 and $6.75 per square foot for the steel plate. So we are all set with that sheet.